Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this tricky question. Many fail to solve this, but you have already solved this. Go and write your answer in the comment. I will give them hard. So we will solve this question with the help of PEMDAS. So here there are multiple expression, but we will solve this parenthesis part as we know this will be the higher priority. So we will write 21 divided by 7, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 3. Okay. And in this case, there are two expression division and multiplication which have the same priority. And in that case, we solve from left to right. So first we will solve the 21 divided by 7. And after dividing 21 from 7 by 7, we will get 3. And as it is 3, and this will give 9 as the right answer. So here 9 is the right answer. Okay, so subscribe us for more questions like this and go and check out best math books for everyone. Thanks for watching.